Hi guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap, and today I'm going to be making a lavender soap. It's been a while since I've done a lavender, so I thought I'd make some more to put into my shop. I'm using Brambleberry's Lavender 4042 Essential Oil, and then I'm going to be coloring it with the Grape Nehi from Mad Micas, and then I've got some Purple Vibrance Mica from Nurture Soap, and then I'm also going to be doing a pencil line with the Goldfinger Mica. Yes, again, the Goldfinger. I love this color so much. So let's go ahead and get started. My oils are at about 77 degrees and my lye water is at about 84 degrees, so that's all looking good. Let's add the lye water into my oils. Okay, that looks good for where I want it to be for now. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and split this batch off. I'm working in a little smaller amount than I normally do, but I'm going to be doing a base color for the bottom, and then the top I'm going to do in the pot swirl. So I'm going to have the two larger ones and then a couple smaller for the in the pot swirl. Okay, my colors are all mixed through, and then I did want to wait to add the fragrance oil until I'm ready for pouring it in, just in case it accelerates it a little bit. Especially for the in the pot swirl, I wanted to make sure that everything gets mixed in the way that I wanted it to. Alright, so I'm gonna go, I decided to dilute the mica in almond oil today, so we're gonna see how well that goes. I'm just going to move these off to the side so I can get my mold here. And I'm working with a new mold today. I'm going to be breaking it in. It's the Nurture Soap Tall and Skinny 4.5 pound mold. Let's move that there. And I'm going to start off with finishing mixing in the solid color. This is the Purple Vibrance. There we go, a nice, rich, dark purple, what I was going for. Okay, just wanted to make sure that I got any bubbles popped, and then I'm going to clean up the sides just a little bit, making sure that there are no drips. It's as clean as possible for the next step. There we go. Alright, and then here's the Grape Nehi. In Purple Vibrance. Just want to make sure that they're mixed in really nice. Yeah, since it's such a small amount, this is a smaller mold that I usually do for amounts of soap. I just want to make sure everything's mixed in well, and I can't really get my stick blender into such a small amount of colored soap, so I'm just gonna mix it in by hand, and then I'll just add the fragrance to this, which I'm gonna just color with some titanium dioxide. And I think I might lighten one of these a little bit with the titanium dioxide as well. Soaping is a messy business. This is probably going to be a bit more. I want to make sure that that's getting a bit more white. There we go. Alright, that looks good. So they definitely look like very different purples now. And then before I get ready with adding the fragrance and in the pot swirl, I want to go ahead and do the gold mica line. Sorry guys, didn't mean to bump you. Yeah, trying to get it thick enough so that the color shows, but not too thick that it'll separate. Okay. So now I'm gonna add the rest of the fragrance oil to the white. And as you can see when I move this, it doesn't jiggle around too much, so it's firming up just nicely. Maybe I'll add a little bit more titanium dioxide to it as well. I want it to be a little brighter, but since I use such a green olive oil, sometimes it takes a bit more titanium dioxide. There we go. Then I just want to go around the sides, make sure I've got it all. Oops. Man, I'm making a real mess today. I'm not usually this messy, but that's okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna start adding the colors. I'm gonna do the Vibrance, Purple Vibrance mica. And the Grape Nehi, or Nehi, I don't know, I think it's Grape Nehi. Okay, purples are in there, then I'm just gonna do one more round. Try not to mix it in too much. And I'm gonna try and lay it down with the spatula to break the fall just a little bit. There we go. Then I'm just going to scrape this down and try and get all the last bits of soap in here. And then I'm just gonna decorate the top with a little bit of the mica drizzle. Yep, I wanted to do some purple and some gold on the top. There we go. And then I'm not sure quite where my chopstick went to, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of marbling with my glass stirring rod. There we go. All set. Now I'm just going to spray down with my 99% rubbing alcohol. And that's all set to go. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the cut. Bye. Hi guys, it's Erin and we're back for the cut. It's been about 23 hours. So let's take a look at how we did. I'm gonna cut off a little bit of an end piece first. So that's what it looks like on the inside. You can see a little bit of the mica line right there. All right. Oh, it turned out beautiful. I love the marbling on top, the solid on the bottom, and the nice mica line. It just looks so cute. And of course that lavender came through really strong, smells just fabulous. Oh, just so beautiful. I love these bars. These turned out really great. Exactly what I wanted. And I love how the mica turned out on top with just a little bit of shimmer. Just looks really pretty. Sometimes you just can't beat a good old lavender soap. I'm thinking maybe I should do a lemongrass soap in a similar style as well, because I feel like lemongrass and lavender are just such staple soaps. They're just really good to pretty much always have around. And the colors just came out really nicely, and you can see the couple different shades of the purple, and then the purple vibrance on the bottom turned out exactly how I wanted, like a nice darker purple. There we go. Oh yeah, I really love how this one turned out. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe I should get a second tall and skinny mold, because I do like to use these. This was the maiden voyage for my tall and skinny nurture soap mold, and it does do a smaller batch size than the 5-pound mold, but it's really cute. I love it. So I might get a second one so I can do 2 at a time to give me more. But that's it. That's all the lavender soap for today. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.